Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on REALME Narzo 60. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click on this application and click install. Now you can click open, and now you have to click here to skip introduction, and then click open permissions and click on AI assistant, and then click here to allow your app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again, and now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.